What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luis Hernandez, and today we are gonna go on Copart and see if we can find any deals. And if we don't, then hey, we're just gonna go have fun. So let's go.
Like a Hellcat.
And one more thing before I forget. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, if you don't know this, we're gonna give a car away from Copart. We're gonna drive it to Las Vegas, the Grand Canyon. We're gonna drive the heck out of this car, and then we're gonna give it away to one of you guys, my lucky subscribers. So stay tuned for that, guys. All I need you to do is like, share these videos, and we can make this happen. We gotta get 1,000 first, and then 1,000,000 later. But I need your help, so help me out. All right, guys, here we got a Chrysler 300 with front end damage. Looks like the clips came off or something. Let's go on the other side. Ooh, ouch. Yeah, this is not coming back for sure. Pretty serious accident. Pretty serious. Can we open the doors? It's got no miles. I bet you the... Oh yeah, that's why. Looks like he sat on the rain for a long time. Everything was open. We can see leaves in there. Mold growing everywhere. Center console missing. Yeah, this ain't coming back. Let's open the hood. At least the hood is, the engine's still there. 5.8 Hemi. Oil looks decent. Imagine buying this car just for the engine, transmission, and swapping it out on the Hyundai Veloster that I have at the house. That'll be a fun little car. I don't think that will fit in it though. They don't have a lot of space. But what do you guys think? Will you buy it just for the engine? I mean, everything else is done. Leave it on the comment, guys. Moving on. Alright, guys, here we got a beautiful 2018 Camaro with a driver's side damage. It looks like the damage was perfectly on the fender because it ripped it off. I don't see any damage on the actual frame. The door won't open for obvious reason. Other than that, it's an RS model, so we know it's a V6. Tires 832, 432, so they swapped the ones from the rear to the front. He was doing a lot of burnouts, I guess. This tire is gone as well. The rim is gone. We can't open the hood. That door won't open. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave it on the comment, guys. '18 model. Got one blown airbag. Let's see if we can open the other side door. Oh, this side's open. Alright, so 2 blown airbags, 4 blown airbags. 4 blown airbags, and let's see, automatic. I don't know if I can reach that far. Let's see if I can open the hood for you guys. Hood release. There you go. We got it. Alright, let's go take a look. Okay, so stay right there. Hold on, guys. There you go. Okay, so let's see what's wrong with this thing right here. Suspension looks like it's okay. Oh no, it's broken on the bottom. We got broken suspension on that side. The frame rail looks all right. The engine wasn't even touched. We got direct injection. A 4-cylinder, I believe it is. Might be wrong. Whew. Alright guys, leave it in the comments. Let's move on. Alright guys, here we got what is this? 97 BMW M3. Looks pretty rough around the edges. Broken window. But to the untrained eye, this is just a regular M3. Once you open the door, if you can, then it becomes a race car. You see that? It's got racing bucket seats. It's got a 5-point harness seatbelt. It's got the vents for added horsepower. See if I can open this real quick. Hold on. Use both hands. Where's it at? It's here somewhere. There you go. And look at the beast, the heart of the beast. What are we looking at? Well, it's got some aftermarket suspension, and we got some, I don't know, hanging wires. I guess I was expecting something else. What do you guys think? Buy now price $1,500. Will you buy it? M3. Oh, he's got a fire extinguisher and earmuffs. Alright you guys, moving on. Alright guys, Dodge Challenger RT, or Charger, my bad, Charger. With a Hemi engine. We got suspension in the rear. Missing a tail light. Missing 2 tail lights. Oh. Damn. Yeah, I don't think this one's coming back. I think this one's far too gone. There. Suspension damage. See that? Can't open the hood. Oh man, this is too far gone. Not something I want. Let's move on. Alright guys, what do you guys think, huh? 2002 Ford Mustang, 224,000 miles. Rough interior, but you guys heard the engine. Engine looks healthy, a little bit shaky, I don't know why, maybe engine mounts. Stick shift. It's got a lot of wires hanging though. A lot of wires hanging. Switches for these 3 things right here: altimeter, oil pressure, temperature. We got a tear on the seat. We got a blown airbag. We need the whole front end. How many black eyes you need on the car? What do you guys think? I don't think it's gonna go for much. If it goes fairly cheap, I'll probably buy it. Let's see the other side. More hanging, more wires hanging. That's for our light, LED light. We have a spare tire. We do. What the hell was that? I thought I saw a freaking spider run over. I don't know what the hell that was. Probably spider. This side. I mean, it's pretty rough. The seat on this side looks in good condition. Airbag deployed as well on this side. They tried to tuck it in, you see? So we got two blown airbags. And that's probably why they totaled it. What do you guys think? I want to hear what you guys think. The rear, it's got this spider web that needs to be fixed. Tires are good. Good tires. It's got newer model rims. Looks like tires are good. All four matching tires. That's good. What about the exhaust? Straight pipe. It comes with a Viper equipped anti-theft device, and it works. Ready? Locks and unlocks. It works good. Let's not waste the battery in this. All right, well, tell me what you guys think. Let's move on. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for today's episode. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss out on anything. And please like and share this video and comment. I read every single comment and I respond to every single comment. That being said, see you guys very, very soon on the next one. Peace. God bless.